Hi classmates, my name is Chantel, and for today's informative speech, I will be speaking on how to live a healthier lifestyle inside the gym regarding injuries and how to avoid injuries during a workout, a lift, or a training session. I'm not sure how many of you guys do work out, but it is super important on the proper techniques on form, your stretching, your lifts, your breathing, especially on how to engage your core, and especially the materials that are needed regarding this, regarding the materials needed for this, for proper training. Let's begin. So for the first one, for the materials that are needed for proper training, first to start off, you'll need a foam roller. The foam roller is to go ahead and get the blood flow going. It helps you release tension, whether it's on the upper, your traps, your lower back, your legs, more so for the back and the legs. Mat is preferred, so you're not on the ground. Many gyms provide both foam rollers and a mat. Resistant bands are very useful and very helpful to activate, whether it's you're doing legs, it helps activate your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings, just depending on how you decide to use the resistance bands. You can also use resistance bands by helping you stretch the hamstrings as well as the quads, as well as the shoulders, to help you get a quick warm-up. Proper equipment. It is very important on how to use the equipment before going ahead and lifting. Proper equipment such as, barbells, some machines. I prefer starting off with machines before hitting the weights rather than a barbell, the solo machines where you'll need a spotter. Cable machines are very important for beginners as well. I feel like that's very, very important for proper equipment. And as well as knowledge before getting into working out, doing your research, seeing what's best for yourself, for your body, seeing what will work for yourself. Knowledge is super important to avoid injuries inside the gym and being able to know what to do, what to work on, depending on the muscle group that you are going to be hitting. And especially proper attire. Of course, you don't want to go into the gym, with dress, with sandals. That will cause an injury, of course, in a way. But it's very important to just appropriately with shorts, leggings, whatever you're comfortable in, as long as you'll be safe in it. So for the next, the process to proper stretches, I included a foam roller because that's very important to do prior to stretching. There's a difference between dynamic and static stretches that are very important to avoid injuries. Dynamic is prior to your training. Static is for your after training. So the dynamic stretches that I have here that I recommend are hip circles, arm swings, squats, lunges with a twist. These will help go ahead and get the blood flow going, as well as the foam roller. It'll help release tension. That way you can, your muscles will go ahead and open up and won't be so tender while you're lifting, which will help prevent any type of strains, any injuries in any sort. Your static stretching will be after your workout, which is a cobra stretch as I have in the picture here. That's for your lower back, super important. Knee to chest, toe touches, butterfly stretch. These are very important to help release tension as well, but will help more so cool your body down. Last but not least, the steps for proper training. Proper technique is extremely essential. Remember, patience is definitely key. Patience is key to making progress inside the gym, whether it's the amount of weight you're going up in, or even how your form is looking, and just depending on your hypertrophy, everything inside the gym. Remember, form over weight. It's okay to go up in weight every week as long as your form is there. You want to avoid injury at all costs because that will set you back 100 times. Learning proper breathing techniques will also prevent injury in your lower back, your core, anywhere else. Being able to learn how to breathe while you're lifting heavy is extremely important. So with these type of steps, I'm guaranteed that you will avoid any type of injury, as we don't ever want an injury inside the gym while you're lifting, as it could be extremely crucial and painful. So I hope you guys take these techniques and these steps to help yourself inside the gym. Thank you.